by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what? Mankind, and the other names, a dini there, a bebre, and this be what? Matakam. You know, say this world where we day inside, plenty people they suffer for mental slavery. And other people too they think about how them a future to go on and how them go feel do what they want to do for them a life inside. And other people too they think about them marriages, how them go marry. And other people too they think about how they will feel take care of them kiddies, their things. Plenty problem with it day this world inside. The matter where it can be say some Zimbabwe policeman be where he be officer, where they give him uniform where he day street, where they what they maintain law and order, where they check traffic, then things say traffic accident and things no go happen when the traffic lights know the job then things. Then go catch this man say it is still transformer, electric transformer, bam. See if face where they screen top. You know be easy, brother man. Then catch and around that where the transformer need to know. You say transformers you know, they give light to the community, the civilians where then they the community inside, where light go they them houses inside, where they go use the light for what? Them own benefit and things for daily lives inside. You know be easy. Make I talk you something. You say policeman anyway for what? If for maintain law and order, someone goes still like for catch him no. Anyway they go still. So I ask you, if some bro go still that man go fit go catch that stealing person where he go still. He say it be something. Some bro where you did, where you know be say they know they pay him, then they pay him. You take them money, you go the foreign currency inside that. It take like $30. If you money where you go fit maintain them till what? Till like the month you go end with government sound go be him. But brother man say nah. You know be easy. Where right now the matter you make serious. Then take brother man go court, then take him go court where then they go take him matter no, then go biz them questions, then go biz them say why you do this, why you do that, then things no. Where right now if you what, if you something where you tell it for the whole country inside where plenty people they what they talk about him, plenty people put them more for inside when they talk about what this matter. Stealing be something where it be what, it be some way be it's like it be greediness. If you know they like if you dare this word inside where you know they like you know be content with what you have like what they have you know the be you are where inside they envy some bro in something it they lead to them those things. You know say you don't know what brother man or sister they do with they drive this car. Some people they drive expensive cars, some people they hold expensive phones. Phones need no board them pan, especially this new iPhone where you come now. If you go check the price, brother man, if you don't get source of income where the money they come while they forget, you know go feel buy the phone. You go do things, then buy them. It about plenty people they think about what? Those things. So if you the every brother man, if you those things where you go think about those things, because you don't know what you go do then go buy those things. But if you are content with what you have, it's like you have your own phone, you have your own clothes and things. All be say if you work hard so that you go earn what money, then go buy those things where you know you want to do for yourself. You know go still you go still where they catch you up. You know so some communities be there Ghana here, some communities be I don't know why the way you know they come. Then they Ghana here where you go still out, bro. They don't go take your body spare you. Because every brother makes steady. Because them you know thief self will come beat you, he be thief, but then can't you say you be thief? He will come beat you then what? Do something where you self, you cry, you go think I don't go think about him. It be something. What you to you there, some people that my head be hard. That would lead to us stealing and things. Some bro get something, no. Brother man go feel them say, oh Charlie, give me this what you get, you know. Give me some. The brother man will talk say you no get. So through anger, no brother man will do him man say he will do what? He go steal. So it be citizens now, it be we now where we do where Charlie thieves the things now bunch for the what? The street top. You go the street top plenty people there. Where some to be what? Lack of parental care. That one too day inside. Parental care there be something, you know, it's like divorce come, the mother them aside, the father them aside, actually, it be what? It be yawa. The man they bell the kiddy say where you there, the kiddy go talk say he dey mommy in there. They bell him mommy need to bell am say where you there, go talk say he dey poppy in there. Now they live the life way in mommy then poppy, you know, plan give am say make you what? Make you no live. Now they do am for the street top. It no be easy, brother man. If you dey listen to this video, bro, your life be your life. You have God take you count this word inside for a reason. Make you not do say your mommy no spy you, your papi no spy you, so you go do anything be way they want for your life inside. It about we get plenty people where they make successful for this word inside. Where them a papi them mommy no spy them. But it be them now where they spy what people with them they what the word inside. This be the matter where it can with me flambo to add my voice there. I won't make you what I'm there. Listen I'm what. It will go feel leave your comment. It be very necessary. It will top it will go feel talk your own through the word through the comment box. Write everything be way you don't want what you don't want write. If in here you go feel like us, you go feel share on our videos everywhere on our all on our social media what platform. It be very what necessary. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Prayer always what work. Bow.
Me dey Isaiah Kodwampo, we betumi afem the great tempo. Mbrembren, wonu me nka mo ni ehwe too much G8. Too much G8. Mo ye too much. Na me so me ye am fire.
Too much GH. We boy what? Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
The major prophet kum chacha. On say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH. On say me kan ye nyene bonne pa na kase epe wo wiase ya asonde asonde nti na Adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ne ade kat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ura